Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. You can say oh no. Oh, me. Mega. No, yeah. Yeah, no dream. Right back. Okay. Hi, Baba. Oh my God. Not Baba. Meow Squad. Get it right once. Oh my. Anyways. Anyway, guys, I spun the wheel this morning, but I messed up. Okay. Ha, got gems. Oh, I got gems. And there it is. Let me just bring them up. Clover tie. Oh, wow. Oh. Because bad items, guys. Bad items. Yeah, we don't have the best items here. I was looking for like a top hat, but I don't think they have a top hat. I think I'll just take the blue clover tie, you know, that works. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Oh no, I gotta buy all my snowflake hoodies before it runs out. Okay, stay calm. Mm-hmm. First, I need that. Oh, we could get the watch. That watch, but I don't have any items to work with. Oh, do I? My God! Oh my God! Okay, I have coral canyons on my side and 1,000 something something gems. Yay! Okay, let's go. Before I forget, in the video ends in about 10 more minutes. 10 minutes and 24 seconds. Okay, let's go. Futuristic headphones. Oh, wow. Hey, we could be a princess. Okay. We could be a princess. Hey, okay. Just kidding, we're not being princesses here. This is lonely me during spring. I'm trying my best, guys. I'm trying my best. What do you think would be good? I guess this will work. You know what? This will work. Okay, here we go. This is my spring look, I guess. I might change it up a bit. Wait. No, there you go. Okay, here we go. I don't even need these items. Wow. Oh, wow. I actually thought the headphones would sell for more, but it only sells for that. It sells for more than my spike. Jeez. Oh yeah. If you haven't watched the video of me getting a spike from Pepper, I didn't really get to record. Wow. Oh, Black Long only gives you 275 gems. Crazy. And then this gives me 5. Wow. I'm about to sell every single one of these rares, so we can get our gems back. Yay. I'm gonna be selling rare by the time I'm done. I want to get the snowflake hoodies before they run out of before they go away. See, 7 days left. You see, there's only certain colors I like in a snowflake hoodie, anyways. I'm a banana, huh? I'm a banana. Okay, I don't need the other colors yet. I'm a banana. There we go. All we need is some beautiful wings. These will work. Don't worry about it. Yeah, wait, what? What did I just take along myself? I could just keep that in. Wait, guys, I'm still trying to figure this out. Hey guys, there's my strong look. And today, I don't even use this all anymore. Fuzzy Amazing Pig, like, more like, something about, let's get rid of this pig. I don't like it anyways. Oh! Oh wait, I didn't have to sell any of my animals. Great. So we gotta buy none. Awesome. DJ, not awesome. Where's the awesome? Name is awesome. Just kidding. Well, I went to these. Okay, awesome. Okay, guys, this might take a while. I need to create a winter and spring look. That's great. Just say, ooh, okay, finally done. Or should you? Oh wow, that's scary stuff. This is what I don't like. That's why I colored my earth wolf right away. No stopping this. No stopping. This is a scary deal. Get you this and wait, was it this blue I used? I think it was. Okay, yes, this was the color. The eyes were these. I'm pretty sure. Oh my god, that's the exact same thing. Okay, winter look. My winter look will. My winter look will be in another video. I don't even care about this video. Okay, so That's my other variable was my spring look. Bye, guys!